box cover. Our box is 8 inches, Abby. So our formula still remains the same thing. The only difference is that our height is going to be smaller because we are not making tall cover. Okay, so length 8 inch, okay, breadth 8 inch, height this time around is going to be 2 inch. You may do 2 inch or 1.5. Length equals to 8 inch. We remember that when we make our box, we did 8.5 breathing allowance. We added 0.5, so our length is going to be 8.5 plus extra 0.5 millimeters. That's at the back of your ruler. You check a ruler, there's always a 0.5 mm. Okay, so the reason of purpose of doing that is that by the time you cover your box, the cover is not too tight and thereby folding the box. Okay, so if you make your cover to be exact 2 inch or exact 2.5, the cover is going to be pressing your box. So we just add 0.5 mm so that the cover does not press the box. So plus my height, which is 2 inches. We already know the formula. In case you forgot again, here's the formula: length plus height raised to power 2, okay, plus allowance. All right. So if our breadth equals to 8.5 plus 0.5 mm plus 2 raised to power 2. All right. So we have here equals to 8.5 plus 0.5 mm plus 4, 8.5 plus 0.5 plus 4. So I'm going to have here 12.5 plus 0.5 millimeter. You understand? 12.5 plus 0.5 millimeter. So this is what I'll be cutting out now from my FBP. And on this FBP, you realize that one part is shining. The part that is shining is part of the outside. The right part that is above is what we are going to have on the inside. So our measurement that we're working with is 12.5 millimeter. So we have it just like we did the other time. I said I have to reduce my height now, so my height is going to be 1.5 instead of 2 inches because this paper was not enough. So 1.5. Okay. I can glue it, okay, or make my assembly. So before I do anything, I'm going to create a window where I'll be what's it called, where you can see your cake through. Okay, so I'm going to place my template. Okay, if you have any template, just draw any shape of your choice, use it as a template, cut it out, and then place it at the center. Okay, the purpose of this is just to centralize it. Okay, I'm going to be using my craft knife, the sharp part this time around, to trace out the shape. So you can see. So I'm using my cutout to. So if I'm tracing this out, I'm going to be adding some inches extra. Okay. The purpose of doing that is that so that I can have place to attach my gum. So I'll come here. So I have my template. You can see. So you see, using my said you should have extra. So by the time you attach gum, your PVC is not falling inside, or it's not sitting exactly on the top. You want to leave the extra so that it can lay properly. Do you understand? I'm going to apply my gum here. So you place something on top so that it can dry and lay flat. Give it some minutes. So while we are waiting for it to dry, this is the perfect time for me to make this advertisement that we are currently running a promo on our cake board class. You'll be learning how to cover different sizes of box, different shapes of box in this class, and it's going for the promo price of just 2,000 naira only. And also, we are also having boxes class, cake boxes class. So if you're interested in our cake box class, please send a message to us on WhatsApp. I'll also be attaching a flyer to the class somewhere on this post so you can read up more information. I'll also be uploading it on our channel so you can read up more information about the class. So just going to come here and cut this point because it's going to be disturbing. Then we have our box. You can see how it fits in because of the extra 0.5 millimeter that we added. You can see